Market sangat-sangat volatile. Mari kita update pertengahan minggu. What is the current trading plan? Apa yang telah berlaku? Apa mungkin akan berlaku dan mana level yang anda patut monitor dan tengok dan watch untuk potential trading setup. Right, so let's get started. I hope you guys took the trade that we were planning out pada hari Isnin, which was sama ada kita nak cari long dari sini atau kita nak short dari atas, dan kita telah dapat sebuah short dari atas. I did share this trade dalam academy. Member pun telah dapat follow trade ini, which ended up being a very big trade. So let's see. Oh, we also took a long, right? I think kita telah ambil sebuah long trade juga. Yeah, we did take a long. So hari Isnin kita telah ambil sebuah long, right? Just rode the momentum up, and then yesterday we took a short. So we have been trading it up and down. So mari kita tengok apa plan untuk minggu ini. Ada news besar ya. Ada news besar yang akan keluar pada 2 AM besok, Khamis 2 AM waktu Malaysia Federal Funds Rate. So ini akan tentukan sama ada US akan start print duit atau mereka akan sekat flow of money. Okay, so ini news besar. Tapi bagi saya kan, if this comes out as forecasted, there really won't be any change, right? Takkan ada perubahan. Okay, unless ini keluar lebih rendah, right? That means they cut rates. Okay, lebih rendah. Yes, they cut rates. Then it shows that, okay, maybe we will start to go into quantitative easing. Dan mungkin kita akan mula dapat a bull run. Right? Tetapi, walau bagaimanapun, even if we do get a bull run, ada lagi satu news yang sedang affect market dengan teruk, right? Which is this, ya, perang antara Israel dan Iran yang sedang escalate dengan sangat-sangat cepat, right? Iran baru cakap on state TV, tonight a great surprise will occur, one the world will remember for centuries. I don't know what that means, tapi saya harap, I hope it's not what I think it means lah. Right, iaitu nuclear war. I hope it's not a nuclear war. Okay, so yes, ada news besar, right? Tapi news ini boleh dipredict sikit lah sebab there's forecast, right? Expert akan buat forecast, the market can price it in. So usually it is slightly predictable. Tapi news ini pula, news perang ni sangat-sangat unpredictable. Right? We don't know what is going to happen, when it's going to happen, how big of a scale is going to happen, and how big it actually affects the market. Yeah, so bagi saya, sekarang ialah masa untuk menjadi lebih cautious. Yeah, until potentially we get peace talks dengan US, dengan Iran, dengan Israel. Okay, so for now, yes, we have this. Kalau news ini bagus, then there is a potential that we could start being more bullish, right? Tetapi keep in mind that there is still high impact news, war news going on, right? So that's just what I want to say about the news. Now, kalau you guys nak trade dan dapatkan 20% deposit bonus yang you guys boleh guna untuk open position, you guys boleh join the Telegram the free Telegram group di bawah, ya, the Kaizen Crypto channel, sorry, bukan group, and you guys boleh open your Wix account here, claim your 20% deposit bonus. Alright, now let's take a look at the charts. Mana level yang saya sedang monitor, and which level you guys should be watching to look for potential trades. Dalam masa 24 jam, ada 300 juta orang kena wreck. Right? And we have two big liquidation clusters. Di atas, about 109, we have 241 million. And what's interesting is, di bawah kita ada 380 juta right, yang baru bermula dari sini, right? You can see once we had this dump down, barulah cluster liquidation di bawah ni mula menjadi terang, jadi kuning. That means once we had this pump down, orang mula long, right? Orang mula long, dan mereka letak stop loss di bawah sini. So there's a cluster of liquidity below here that we should be keeping an eye on, right? Dan disebabkan oleh itu, I think that we could possibly go lower. So let's take a look at the charts. So kita telah ambil long position dari sini, right? We rejected at the value area high, ada engulfing besar. Bila saya nampak dah ada engulfing besar ni, we just took a long position here, we rode it down, right? Currently we are still holding a short position, short position, bukan long position. So now, kalau you guys tengok, kita dah break di bawah point of control, right? If we look at our weekly levels, kita dah di bawah weekly open. Okay, so right now ada dua level besar, iaitu weekly level dan juga point of control yang menjadi resistance. And you can see throughout this whole range, we have rejected here multiple times. Multiple times. This could potentially be another rejection and a continuation down, right? So for now, yes, bias saya lebih bearish sedikit sebab I'm looking at this cluster right here yang kita mungkin akan target untuk sweep. So if we're targeting that cluster, level yang kita boleh sambung untuk short, right? Yang pertama, yes, you guys can short from right where we are now. Stop loss dekat atas weekly open because that's a very clear invalidation level. So target it down to the lows right here. Where was this? 103, right? 103. So just about here, 103 boleh dapat hampir satu nisbah 2. And I think once we're down here, it's likely yang kita mungkin akan sweep the previous week low, right? Previous week low pun ialah sebuah level yang penting, right? Once we sweep the previous week low dengan liquidity tu, then we can potentially look for a reversal. Okay, but for now bias saya ialah untuk ke bawah. So potential shorts dari sini, right? Kalau kita dapat news and it pushes us up, we can also look for a short di sini, right? Let's go for 2 hour. Okay, nampak kita ada sebuah, we have order block. Saya suka ambil dari week sebab biasanya week ni dia bagi reaction juga, right? So looking at the line chart, you guys boleh tengok ada something like a head and shoulders pattern here, right? Or you can also look at it as a sebuah demand zone, right, yang telah break, break 1, 2 level di sini. So whatever it is, this becomes a supply zone, bukan demand zone, supply zone. Okay, untuk cari short position. So potentially we're also looking at shorts from here, right, to continue down. Kita tarik Fibo, let's see. Fibo lines up quite nicely, 0.5 level right at the wick, and 618 level. And stop loss pun jelas, stop loss above the 786 dan di atas supply zone ini. So these are two potential short positions that I'll be looking from. Kalau you belum enter short, saya masih sedang hold short, right? We took partial profits. Ya, ada member yang ambil 3 kali profit, ya. Where is it? Oh, saya belum share. Nanti saya akan share dalam channel, ya. So we're looking at potential continuation down. But if we do get some positive news, then we could push up. Tapi saya rasa kita akan complete the range rotation all the way down. So kalau malam ini ada positive news, look for supply zones di atas because we could just be pushing up. Dia nak park, news akan push dia parking dekat zone sell, kemudian dia akan junam. Right, that is my bias lah untuk masa sekarang. So this is the zone that I'm currently looking at. Kalau nak sell terus sekarang boleh juga. Right, let's say news terus push kita ke bawah, then we can potentially look for long positions di area bawah sini. Right, once we sweep the previous week low, then we can start to look for reversal patterns. Okay, so I think the plan is quite clear. For now, kita masih sedang hold short, right? Kalau ada pullback, saya nak sambung short, right? Unless we get a dump straight down ke 103, 102, then we can start to look for long positions. Even if we take this out, there will also be a good place to look for long positions. Yeah, remember always nak buy low, sell high. Okay, so itu plan untuk sekarang. Kalau guys nak update bila saya enter, bila saya exit, everything saya share, tengok. Saya share market short BTC, stop loss mana, saya update bila hit BE, right? Saya update bila saya close dan sebagainya. Okay, you guys want to see frequent updates like this, exactly how I trade, how I manage my risk dan sebagainya, boleh tekan link di bawah dan join the Kaizen Crypto Academy. Itu saja untuk video kali ini. See you guys in the next video.